Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and today I'm here at the Bitcoin conference 2025 in Las Vegas, and this is the very first day of the conference. It's going to continue for another 2 days, but we finished with the first day now. It was a very, very interesting one. Right at the beginning, I started to watch the presentations from the morning at the Nakamoto stage. We actually had a steak and shake because they started to use Bitcoin. This company is more than 90 years old, and they now allow people to pay with their Bitcoin if they would like to purchase the burgers, for example. And they said the transaction fee is actually significantly lower if they're using Bitcoin, 50% lower. And actually, if you would like to join their franchise, you have to pay them in Bitcoin. So they catching up for sure. Then we had New Hampshire on the stage, and probably you know that New Hampshire is the first state. Their governor signed the Bitcoin strategic reserve, and the more states going to follow, but they are the first one in that. Also, when it comes to Bitcoin strategic reserve in the United States, as the whole, they talked about it, Cynthia Lewis, senator, and many others on the stage, how they can actually accumulate Bitcoin, because they don't want the taxpayers' money and use that one to invest in Bitcoin, but they have other options. They can, convert part of their gold reserve into Bitcoin. This could be actually one. They can mine Bitcoin. They actually emphasize that they have a lot of energy which is not actually used, so that can go into Bitcoin mining, for example, and a lot of other interesting ways. So probably this coming up when they're going to purchase Bitcoin for the US. The Bitcoin Act is now under discussion, and it could mean that the US could purchase 5% of Bitcoin, so it's about like 1 million Bitcoin, but probably they're going to do it step by step. It's not the big purchases, because it's not how it works, but to start it would be also very, very important. So yeah, they talked about that as well. We had a CEO roundtable, and at the CEO roundtable we had the CEO of Strategy and also CEO of Nakamoto. Nakamoto has recently accumulated Bitcoin. Strategy is doing it for a long time. It's definitely the pioneer in it, and they talked about their strategy, if you wish. We also had Michael Saylor after them on the enterprise stage. Michael Saylor emphasized that, for example, for a trust or ETF issuer is a problem really if Bitcoin price really going down, but public company, just like MicroStrategy, has various options. They can sell their shares, they can buy it back, they can get, loans, and so on and so forth. So multiple things they can play around with, so they don't have to sell their Bitcoin, and they can actually accumulate more, even if Bitcoin price is, falling down, because they backed with Bitcoin. It's also very, very important. So it looks like they kind of confident in the strategy. Yeah, strategy is confident in that strategy. So pretty much these were the highlights, I believe, on the first day. I'm coming back tomorrow, and I will cover that, what's going to happen on the second day. So stay tuned. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto and blockchain. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.